the foremost important, interesting and easy chapter in physics is physical world and measurements. In this, we are going to discuss about errors. When we speak about errors, the two most important errors are relative and percentage error. So, how to find out this relative and percentage error? This is very important question in physics. So, how we can do is, like there are three cases. In one thing, first case, like it is if a physical quantity is represented as addition or subtraction, then the relative error can be found as del z by z is equal to del a by a plus del b by b. Even though it is subtraction, the errors have to be added. Keep it in your mind, don't forget it, because errors have to be added always. And the second thing, if a physical quantity is represented as multiplication or division, and again the errors have to be added. Del z by z is equal to del a by a plus del b by b. Third case, if a physical quantity is expressed in terms of power, z is equal to a power n. So, how do you find out relative error of it? That is an important part. So, how we can get it? Del z by z is equal to n into del a by a, which means the power has to be brought down. Keep that in your mind. So, only I told you about relative error. What about the percentage error? It's very simple. How do we calculate percentage normally? Multiplying it by 100%. If you multiply this relative error by 100%, you will get percentage error. That's all about this error concept. Now, let us solve some problems related to this. Let me start with the first problem. If the error in the measurement of radius of a sphere is 2%, if the measurement of radius of the sphere is 2%, then what will be the error in the determination of volume? So, how do we solve this? Error in radius 2%, what will be the error in volume? So, it is a sphere, so definitely we should know the formula for volume of a sphere. So, what is the formula for volume of a sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. The most important thing in finding error is, even if you forget this 4 by 3 pi, it's not at all a problem, because pi is a constant, 4 by 3 is a constant. So, no need to worry about it, but we know very well that if it is volume, definitely it will be a cube power. So, r cube. So, how do we find out error of this now? Del v by v is equal to, as I told you, it's a constant, just leave it. Pi is a constant, leave it, and then r cube. R cube means it comes under this third case, a power n. So, how do we write it? 3 into del r divided by r. So, this is equal to 3 into, what is the error of radius? That is given as 2%. So, 3 into 2%, which is equal to 6%, is the solution of this problem. Okay, let us do the second one. In an experiment, 4 quantities A, B, C, D are measured with percentage error 1%. A, B, C, D are measured as 1%, 2%, 3% and 4%. This is the given data, and quantity P is calculated as P is equal to A cube B square by C D. Now, the question is, how do you calculate the percentage error in P? How can we calculate this? Under what case we can bring this? It's very clear, power division. So, definitely we have to consider third and second one. Let us start with the third first. So, let del P divided by P is equal to, it's given as A cube. So, 3 into del A by A plus B square. Why I am writing plus? Because it is in multiplication. Again B square So 2 into del B by B plus C. So error of C is del C by C plus for D it is del D by D. Now what will be the next step? Already the percentage errors for A, B, C and D are given. Now we can calculate this. 3 into 1% plus 2 into 2% plus 3% plus 4%. So now 3 plus 4, 7, 10, 14. So the solution is 14%. Okay, the next one. A wire of length L equal to 6 plus or minus 0.06 centimeter. L equal to 6 plus or minus 0.06 centimeter and radius R equal to 0.5 plus or minus 0.005 centimeter and mass M equal to 0.3 plus or minus 0.003 gram. Maximum percentage error in density is. When we solve these kind of problems, we have to be very careful, because when we write the numbers, definitely we will miss out some zeros or we may add few more zeros. So the problem goes completely wrong. So you should be very careful when you solve problems like this. But it's too different from both the problems, because here it is given that 6 plus or minus 0.06 centimeter. What is this? 6 again 0.06. Should be very sure the 6 is the measured value and the 0.06 centimeter is the error in finding length. Similarly, the second case, this is the measured value of radius and this is the error value of radius. Again for mass. Now we should find out the error in the determination of density. What is the formula for density? Again, density is equal to mass by volume. Very good. What is the next step? We should know to find out volume. It's given that the object is a wire. So wire means definitely it should be a cylinder. So that we should know. Okay. While finding error, del rho by rho is equal to del m by m plus del v by v. Thank God there is no problem in math, because the mass, because it is given clearly. And second one, volume. While finding volume, what is the formula for volume of a cylinder? That is pi r square L. Pi constant, so just leave it. Again r square r square. So definitely 2 into del r divided by r. Pi r square L is the formula. So again plus del L divided by L. This is the formula. Okay. Now del m by m. So what is del m here? Del, which means error. So 0.003 divided by, and what is the mass given? 0.3 plus 2 into del r by r. So okay. Better I will write it as small r. Okay. Now what is del r here? 0.005 divided by, what is the radius here? 0.5 plus again del L by L. So 0.06 divided by 6. Okay. What is asked actually in the question? Find out the percentage error. What did I tell you about the percentage error? You have to multiply the relative error by 100%. So very simple, when you find out this percentage error, multiply it by 100%. When you solve this, you will get the answer as 4%. That's all about this physical world and measurement.